fabulous Smo! Hello. My name is Smo. I come from Poland. I'm a sex worker. And I have a complicated relationship with my family. I wonder why. A couple of years ago, my mother was trying to make things better between us by showing me how well she knows me. It went horribly wrong, as always. Here's what happened. My mother and I were playing a little game about food. I don't know how things work in your family, but in my family, we have 3 acceptable conversation topics. Food that's going to make us fat, and food that we're going to eat anyway. So my mother and I are playing a game in which we are trying to guess as many items as possible of what the other one likes to eat. I'm killing it. Broad beans, check. Green beans, check. Peas, check, check, check. After I've named every legume known to humankind, it's Mom's turn. And she says, hummus. Are you fucking kidding me? I hate that mashed chickpeas bullshit. And my mother, in her full parental self-righteousness, says, no, you don't. I see you eat hummus all the time. Yeah, Mom. I'm vegan. Just because I eat hummus doesn't mean I like it. But as a vegan, we need to eat a certain amount of it every week or we lose our membership, okay? My poor mother. She never stood a chance in this game. The only way to know what I actually like to eat would be to read my journal. Here's what it said. Dear diary, today I was dreaming of Fritz. Again! Well, guess what? I'm not vegan anymore. I blame the hummus. I still try to consume consciously. And by consume consciously, I mean violently reject every food, clothing, and household item that is not strictly necessary for my survival. If I got something just for fun, that would be filthy consumerism, and I'm better than that. Usually. One day I snapped and I went on a shopping spree. I spent entire €5. I bought 2 packages of glitter. Oh. Pink and gold. It was not necessary for my survival, but it's so pretty. After that, I needed to rethink my life, so I started looking for a therapist. Now, for those of you who have never looked for a therapist in Germany, it's not unlike looking for the Holy Grail, except it's harder. Therapists are legendary, mystical beings. They're like sphinxes. Mythical sphinxes. Not the bald cats that are so ugly that they're kind of cute. No. Therapists are like mythical sphinxes because to prove yourself worthy of their attention, you need to solve a riddle. Here's an authentic example of a therapy riddle. Guten Tag. This is the voicemail of Dr. Reinhard Meinhardt. Meine telefonische Sprechstunden are on every 3rd Thursday of every 2nd odd month except for September. Between 8:17 and 9:24 in the morning. Oh, also, I won't be taking any new patients for the next 12 years. My quest went on and on. Countless Herr Dr. Carstens and Herr Dr. Ulrikes have whispered their sacred messages into my phone. But my effort paid off. One day, finally, I get put on the wait list. 642. Yay! I just have to wait until 642 random strangers work out their shit. And then it's my turn. browsing internet. I Google glitter trauma. I read about veganism survivors. I join a self-help group, Adult Children of Parents Anonymous. And in all of those places, they tell me the solution to all of my problems is really simple. The ultimate solution is just love yourself. Stay hydrated. Do yoga. Just love myself. Great advice. That's like telling a blind person to just look at rainbows. But sure, yeah, I'll just love myself. Maybe I will also just love hummus while I'm at it. But be careful what you wish for. If I start loving myself, I'm gonna put my needs first. I still care about animals. I still want rampant consumerism to stop. I still want a healthier planet. But now I also want a 24-karat gold necklace, a rare steak, and a glass of 12-year-old Kentucky bourbon.